In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and set up WireGuard VPN on Zorin OS 18. We'll begin in the terminal to install WireGuard, and then we'll move into the system settings where we can configure it through a clean graphical interface. Follow along and you'll have a secure VPN connection ready in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. We want to make sure our system is updated so the WireGuard package comes from the latest source, so run the update command. Once the package index has refreshed, install WireGuard. The process is quick, and as soon as installation finishes, WireGuard support is now available inside your network settings. After that, you can close the terminal. Now we switch to the graphical side of things. Open the Settings app on your Zorin desktop. On the left side, select the Network tab. In the Network menu, find the VPN section. You should now see WireGuard listed as an option to add and configure a VPN connection. If you see that WireGuard entry, the installation was successful. Click on WireGuard to start setting up your configuration. A connection window opens with a few different tabs that we're going to look through one by one. The first tab is called Details. Here you'll see the profile's name and its basic status information. Next, head into the WireGuard tab. This is where the real setup happens. At the top of the section, you'll find Interface Settings. The interface name is usually something like WG0 and identifies the tunnel on your system. Under that, you have the private key, extremely important. This key is tied to your device's identity in the WireGuard network. Never share this private key with anyone. You'll also see a listen port value. WireGuard normally handles this automatically, but if your VPN provider tells you to use a specific port, you can enter it here. Right below is the MTU setting, which controls packet size. You normally don't need to change it unless you're optimizing network performance for advanced use cases. Scrolling further, you'll find the Peers section. Each peer entry is basically a device or server you want to connect to. You'll add information from your VPN provider or WireGuard server configuration. This includes a public key for the peer, allowed IPs, which tell the system what traffic should go through the tunnel, and the endpoint, which usually contains the server's hostname and port number. There's also an optional persistent keep alive value that helps keep the connection active through firewalls or routers. After this, move to the IPv4 tab. If you're configuring the tunnel manually, this is where you assign internal network IP addresses. Your provider might give you specific values to enter here. This helps organize and route devices correctly through the secure VPN path. Then check the IPv6 tab as well. If your VPN service supports IPv6, you can assign those addresses here too. Many modern networks rely on IPv6, so having this available keeps your configuration future-proof. Once all your configuration details are added, you're ready to connect. Use the toggle switch at the top of the window to activate the VPN. If everything has been entered correctly, you'll see the status change to Connected, and all your traffic will immediately start traveling through the encrypted WireGuard tunnel. This gives you a fast, secure, and lightweight VPN setup built right into Zorin OS. It's great for protecting yourself on public Wi-Fi, accessing remote networks, and ensuring your online activity stays private.